I got with me today. I got Little Man, and we about to go out. Ah! We're going this building right here.
Oh!
You excited?
Yes?
Yes.
It's gonna be very hot.
Yes, we're gonna be very high in the air. And I'm put on YouTube. So you're gonna be on my go all the way up there, you're gonna see my gym. See where I work at. You got the phone?
Yeah.
Touch that red button right there. Not up by itself. What's that other red button? There you go. As you guys can see, I am taking my son, to my job, yes. For a father son out in Tap 15.
Okay.
15th floor. So as you guys can see, we're downtown, taking my son to my job. I'm gonna show a little bit of the gym and what he's expecting when I train him. So, let's go. Like little bitty ants. We got a punching bag, man. Somebody broke his nose. And so, yeah, I usually pound on this bag right here with them boxing mitts. You can go ahead. Bouncing balls, bunsy balls, used for balance. Okay. I spend all my time in here. In there too, but mostly in this little area right around here.
I can't wait to do these.
You said you can't wait to do these?
Yes.
And why is that? You can, I'll tell you what, I want you to lay on there. Don't watch your head. Now. Yep. There you go. Yep. There you go. Why? You gotta hold it though. See, you gotta hold it in place. There you go. There you go. Yep. No weight on there, so it's not heavy at all.
Nope.
I say you do one hand, huh? Okay, so you talking noise. Yeah. I was trying to talk noise. There you go. Yep, getting him ready, y'all. I'm gonna get him ready soon enough. All right. Now, look, you gotta turn it. Go back down. This is where I spend all my time at right here, in this place, in this section of the gym. So, and then over here too, we have machines where I do different body parts and cut this off. Over here I do all the machine work.
So you run this place?
No, I don't run this place. I just work here. And then you get a 15. You get a 15.
We high.
Yeah, I know.
We almost taller than that building.
No, I don't think we're not quite as tall as that building, but we are up there.
It would be scary if we were all the way up there.
That's like 75 floors up there.
Dang.
But this is the college right here, though. This is El Centro. We might go in there today, too. You haven't been there yet, have you?
I have.
When?
You took all three of us in there.
When?
And it's a gym in there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I did. That's right. That's why I got in trouble. But we didn't go around campus, though. But yeah, school right there.
You
The
still
West
in
End. No, I'm done here now. I graduated. I'm done now. Yes, sir, guys. Just wanted to take my son. Go see the gym. If he really wants to see it.
Look how close that's back to land.
Finland Love Field.
That's American Airlines.
Way up there, ain't
Is this higher than the Titan?
we? No.
Oh, because that was the Titan before.
I know you did.
How could it be McDonald's?
What McDonald's? Oh, that McDonald's over there. Yeah. So yeah. Pretty much. Come on. So yeah. We have all kind of stuff here.
What is this?
Use a road.
That,
Mm-hmm. Pull it back to the road, yep.
hey, how could it possibly do this?
It's a climber. You put your feet right there and you just climb. The Stairmaster. See, basically we just run upstairs. You just keep doing stairs.
Oh, it's like a trampoline stairs. I mean treadmill stairs.
Mm-hmm.
Or escalator.
Mm-hmm. Then we have racquetball courts. So it's like tennis.
Ooh. I love tennis.
We have racquetball courts back here. We have another cycling room over there. Mm-hmm. Right there.
Huh?
On that door right there where it says pool. It's a little tough to open, I know.
How much feet is it?
It's 3 feet.
Around.
Lord have mercy. So you know, one time, right? You know, let me know you gotta run this next 1 mile.
I have it.
16. You did one time. You're already on your knees. Guys, I see you don't run, do you? Nope.
Yes.
No, you don't. So you like it? Like it up here?
Yes.
What do you like about this gym?
Everything.
Like?
The swimming pool, the treadmill, the punch bag man,
The punching bag man? The punching dummy?
yes, and the hot tub, and the locker room, and
You didn't see locker room though.
yeah.
Oh,
I seen one before,
okay.
but I liked it everything but I can't wait till I get 18 so I can exercise more.
Okay. Just eating, guys, and then we're gonna go do part 2 of part 2 and possibly 3 of our little adventure. I want to go to the Dallas Museum of Art. I want to take them to campus real quick. Let them see a little bit of campus, and then go to the DMA, and that will be our day. And then he will go back home to his mother. Sorry, I know. He'll go back home to his mom after that. So enjoy it, because we are enjoying it, and I'm enjoying all this cake. Yeah, all that cake. I couldn't resist the temptation. I might share this with him though a little bit. like that, did you? Mm-hmm. All right, well, we're gonna enjoy our time. So, see you guys later. Yep. The DMA, the Dallas Museum of Art. Going here, have my son check out some artwork. Here it is, DMA. Here we are, the DMA.
That wasn't the last time I came here.
It probably was. It probably just wasn't turned. Where did we go? You want to make something real quick? Yo también. Let's see here. Stuff that you have. What is that?
Telescope.
Telescope? So what did you make, son? What is that?
I don't know. The X telescope?
The X telescope.
So I'm gonna make another thing.
You gonna make another thing? You don't want to see the exhibit?
I do.
You can come back here and look what I made. This is, I don't know what that is.
Do we have to leave these here?
They say you can leave one and take one. You can have, there's a card, you put your name on it. Do you want to take it with you?
Yes.
Okay, you can take it. Okay. Oh, look at that thing. That is freaky. That was so freaky. You can't, yeah, that's why that's there. Can't touch, don't touch anything. Do not touch anything. Look at that. That looks crazy. That is crazy looking. Holy cow. That's why it's there. The show is over. The audience get up to leave their seats. Time to collect their coats and gather and go home. They turn around, no more coats and no more home. That's what it says. That's cool.
Thank you.
Did you have fun doing it? Right here. This is amazing. Look at that. This is out of acrylic. It's on my table. On everything. This will be sitting on my table. My house. Yep. touch it. Wow. Bad boys right there. Bad boys right there. On time, that's why. There's some bad boys, man. Some bad boys right here. These my dogs. Yeah. Massive pool in it. 11th century stuff, man. This stuff is
Real?
yeah, it's real as it gets. Some might be recreated. It's just a recreate. Freaky as hell. Little tiki looking 50-foot thing right here. That thing is tall as a boy say. Look at that. You standing over here, I'm gonna take a picture. Whoa. Look at that. Look.
I think
It's just a statue.
I know.
See, I want to take a picture. You want to take a picture by that? By that. Well, that's a huge bed. This bed can't fit most houses. It's a huge bed, yo. That is a big old bed. Man. That's a big old bed, ain't it? Yeah. Like somebody I know too. Like a couple people I know actually. Ooh, it's an ugly little place. Got I can't see, can't tell. Okay, I got it. I can see it from right here. We are out.
Still got my vision. I don't know what the name of it is.
I guess you figure it out in time, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Did you have fun today? Did you have fun on Daddy Sunday?
Yes.
Yeah?
I might have came over today, but
What's that?
the exoscope.
The exoscope. So that's what it's called, the exoscope?
Yeah.
Because there's an X right there. You look at it. Oh, okay. Okay, the exoscope. It's a cool name. Look at that big thing. There you go, guys. DMA. Have fun. And yeah, we're gonna go home now. I gotta take him back to his mom. I know. And but you back next week, right? Oh, y'all be here next week. So, and that's it. So we're gonna enjoy the rest of our time. I will see y'all in the next one. We out. Put you on the lens. Counting like this. I miss that place, man. I really miss training in this gym. Didn't have everything I need, but it was good. Yeah? Membership could be a possibility in the future, but kind of miss training there. Kind of miss training there. Hey, now put your hands on the lens while I told you.